See?
gonna run out.
We're learning to like olives here.
Olive is the gift of
The
gods.
gift of the gods.
One of the best parts of staying in Cappadocia was getting to eat like a local. Our host cooked us 2 delicious meals a day, and by the end of 3 weeks we had tried so many traditional dishes.
And that's sheep and goat cheese over there that your family
and
made.
the rest is from...
Breakfast usually consisted of some kind of eggs, various cheeses, olives, which are definitely considered breakfast food here, fresh bread, simit, and sometimes vegetables from the garden.
All right, we got Terry's potato egg sausage skillet and some fresh vegetables from his garden and some top milk cream. Oh, and bigger olives.
Some new olives.
Hevel's first time ever trying peanut butter. Got it for us. Let's see if he likes it. He says we eat weird stuff.
Good.
You see, it has potential.
Eggs cooked with different types of tomatoes were also very common. Occasionally, while we were out exploring, we grabbed snacks along the way, like this potato pancake filled with potato, or doner, which is meat cooked on a vertical spit and wrapped in thin bread similar to a tortilla. It can be rolled up and grilled almost like a burrito or folded more like tacos, and for some reason always seems to include a few french fries stuffed inside. Here are some of the amazing dinners our host made for us. This is pickled green beans and eggplant with the most delicious couscous and red peppers I've ever tasted. Of course, topped with yogurt. And this soup is similar to the tomato and chickpea soup I made back in Istanbul.
It's hot.
Red carrot juice.
Sour, spicy, and hot.
Okay, yeah, that is.
This is Turkish doner with mutton and rice. So good. And a tomato-based soup with chickpeas and vegetables. Chickpeas are used in so many dishes here.
Turkish, like a tzatziki, but how do you say it?
Cacık.
Cacık. Oh, you say it all wrong. It is not Greek, because Turkish
No,
is better.
it's totally not Greek.
Okay.
And I was constantly reminded that it's not Greek yogurt here, it's Turkish yogurt, which is apparently much better.
Some kind of salad.
Greek salad.
What? Are you sure it's not Turkish salad?
No, it's
I mean, it's just
traditional Turkish soup
It's just
that a friend gave him for fixing her faucet. Turkish yogurt, right?
No,
No?
it's Greek yogurt.
No, it's not. Is it
I
really?
tell you what, this is Kurdish yogurt.
Oh, it's Kurdish
Yeah,
yogurt.
we are still not in the game.
Okay.
We are coming.
Okay. Do you make it or do you buy it?
Yogurt,
Yeah.
this one, we make it.
You make it. Okay. How is it different than Greek or Turkish yogurt? Or are you just kidding?
I'm kidding.
Oh, okay.
An important dish
Uh-huh.
in our cuisine. Greek and Turkish fighting over yogurt.
Yeah.
Chobani means shepherd in Kurdish.
Really?
Yes, Chobani.
Oh, interesting.
And the owner is Kurdish himself.
Oh.
I
Kurdish billionaire now or
Yeah,
millionaire
Kurdish
probably? Okay.
Oops.
But he sells it as Greek yogurt. But he's Kurdish.
Yeah.
Because we don't know what Kurdish yogurt is. We never heard of that.
You will never buy it.
No, right. We'd be
Yeah.
like, Kurdish? What is that? That's so funny.
And then comes the pepper and mint
Oh, from the garden.
in
Yum. Sizzly. Looks amazing.
I hope you will like it.
This is manti, tiny triangular Turkish dumplings, often described as Turkish ravioli.
Tuna fish.
Oh, with tuna fish. Okay.
Your man was craving for tuna fish.
And this is Turkish wedding soup, made with chickpeas, bulgur meatballs, and lamb. Absolutely delicious. This meal was a tuna salad alongside rice mixed with red peppers and chicken, plus a really tasty spinach side, both topped with Turkish yogurt. This is çiğ kofti, like we had during Ramadan in Istanbul. Spaghetti bolognese that he learned to make from an Italian traveler. Another chickpea soup with meat and couscous. Chicken and mushrooms. I cooked this meal, pasta with chicken, mushrooms, and spinach in a creamy sauce with salad on the side. This is spinach with chicken and peppers, along with a bulgur and bean soup with ground beef and couscous. We only went out to eat a couple of times, but whenever we did, we were served a huge spread of small dishes like these. This was at his favorite kebab restaurant, where we tried 3 different kebabs: chicken, rib, and my favorite, Adana kebab, made from seasoned ground lamb and other meats. Then we went to this fancy Asian restaurant where I, of course, had to try something new. Sweet chili duck with udon noodles, while Terry stayed loyal to his General Tso's chicken.
Alright, it's our last supper. We're here having our pickled pickles and salad and Turkish yogurt for the last time.
One of us gonna...
On our last night, we finally learned the correct way to eat P-Day.
So I didn't know you're supposed to roll it up. It's like a pizza burrito.
And I ordered roasted mushrooms, absolutely swimming in cheese. And then there were the desserts. These are 3 different desserts, one similar to flan, one like a red velvet cake with cream in the middle, and another that tasted a bit like German chocolate cake with a creamy topping. These were chocolate-covered cherries filled with a cherry liqueur that really packed a punch. We also tried fried dough in a glaze similar to churros, layered chocolate pudding, nuts and seeds coated in honey filled with caramel and topped with icing, and a nutty chocolate brownie covered in even more chocolate. This dessert is made with semolina and flavored in different ways, then served over vanilla ice cream. Mine was Biscoff flavored and called Lotuslu Irmik, or Lotus Semolina, and it was incredibly good. Pistachio ice cream is also really popular here. Terry's go-to was a Burger King chocolate shake, a chocolate strawberry cake Terry absolutely loved. And finally, since it was the day before Terry's birthday, ending with chocolate cake on our last night just felt appropriate.
Mutlu yıllar Terry. Mutlu yıllar, mutlu yıllar, mutlu yıllar Terry.
I understood one word
Alright,
in Turkish.
Mutlu! Mutlu is happy. Yerlar is my birthday.
Years.
Years, okay. Happy
Happy
years.
years.
Okay.
59 tomorrow.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for more Cappadocia adventures.